Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook account. So simply in order to do this, just you have to click on your profile picture, and after that just you have to go to setting and privacy. Now click on settings. After that, now here just scroll down and you will find the option your Facebook information. So simply just click on your Facebook information. After that, here you will find the deactivation and deletion. So simply just click here, and after that you will move to next page. So simply here, how do you want to delete your account? So there are two options. You can also delete your account temporarily, even you can also delete your account in permanent. So simply click here, and after that click on continue to account deletion. So simply here you can find the notifications that now in order to delete your account you have all the options, like you can download information, transfer info. So simply after that click on delete account, and now here when you type the password your account will be deleted on Facebook. Now you have option to recover your account in 15 days. If you don't recover your account in 15 days, then your account will be permanent delete on Facebook.